Pixel fans almost know about everything the Pixel 11 is bringing to the table, and it couldn't be more underwhelming. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google's Pixel history has been turbulent with lots of ups and downs through each new release. Over the past few generations, Pixel has been on a bit of a hot streak. Starting with the Pixel 8, Google has had quite a few big wins, and that's all now culminating in the 10-year anniversary of Pixel. But the crowd isn't that excited anymore. That's because Google's explicitly said it only intends to bring major design refreshes every 2 to 3 generations. Still, one can't help but want a little bit more. Last year's Pixel 10 series was exciting, not from a design perspective, but because Google introduced QI2 support. This year, there's no such feature to look forward to unless you get really excited about a splash of RGB on the back. There are new colors though, with the stunning Dune Pro, and in the hopes that the green options look better in person than they do in renders. Meanwhile, fuchsia seems like a guaranteed win. Things are also pretty rough on the foldable side. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold only got a minor evolution, and it's coming at a time when Samsung is bringing all its long overdue refinements. A boring year wouldn't be a big deal if it weren't for RAM crisis. Google's recycling designs and not really bringing anything new to the table, all while prices are going up. Every Pixel 11 will be more expensive than its predecessor despite the similarities, and despite the Pro models likely having less RAM on their base model. It's not the Pixel team's fault, but AI data centers are the reason this whole mess exists. And now, Google has to deal with the impact to the market that it's only going ahead. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.